Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by choosing the exact shape and a clear reference point, because translations preserve shape and orientation. Once that is set, pick your translation vector as dx, die, numbers in units or pixels, and enter them precisely. Make sure to enable grid or snapping so movements are consistent. This prevents cumulative error. Now perform a single trial move to confirm the direction and magnitude. If it matches your plan, you're ready to proceed to moving all control points. You now translate every vertex and control point using the same vector, because uniform translation keeps relative geometry intact. For each point, compute new coordinates as old plus dx die, for example, x plus dx, y plus die. Once done, apply identical shifts to Bezier handles or normals so curvature stays correct. Make use of a transform matrix or batch tool to automate, which reduces arithmetic mistakes and speeds the task. After automation, visually inspect the outline to confirm continuity and finish by verifying the translation, overlay the original and moved shape, and measure the displacement to ensure it equals dx die. You do this because small rounding or snapping can introduce shifts. Then inspect seams, boundaries, and intersections to confirm no gaps or overlaps appeared, especially in tiled patterns. If something's off, undo and reapply the exact vector or use precise numeric input to resnap points. One troubleshooting tip: if movement looks wrong, check whether you translated.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.